Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use motion tracking and CapCut PC. So I'm just going to um, tracking the object using text. So how to add the video with moving object. So you can see there is a moving object here in my video, and I'm just going to add text, like the font text. Just for duration until finish the video. So change the text, for example, can be, and put on the object you want to track here, and select tracking, select motion tracking, select but for direction, and enable for the scale and distance, and put select the object you want to track. So make sure on the object, right, just click start. So this is takes a long time. So you can see there's gaps. Yeah, you can see for this result, the tags follow the object. Okay, so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below. So thank you so much for watching. You can see for the result. We go. Okay, see you.